Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are looking for the best crypto to buy on Coinbase today, here are some of the most popular options. Bitcoin is often considered the safest choice because it's the largest and most established cryptocurrency. Ethereum is another favorite thanks to its smart contract ecosystem and wide adoption. If you're looking for higher growth potential, many investors also watch coins like Solana, XRP, and Chainlink, all of which are available on Coinbase. Remember, there's no single best crypto for everyone. The right choice depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it. These are some of the top cryptocurrencies many investors consider on Coinbase today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Coinbase tutorials.